So I just wanted to show you the one thing. Arpeggios are very important on a stringed instrument, especially I think a banjo. But try to learn the fingering of an arpeggio like C, for example, C major. C major is C, E, and G. It's easy, right? C, E, and G. And if you put a seventh on there, it becomes a major seventh chord. So the basic of the C chord is C, E, G. That's the triad. Then you can add a seventh, okay? And the seventh would in the C. The seventh of a C the seventh of a C is C, D, E, F, G, A, B is a B. So here's a C major seventh, for example. It's got a C, E, and a G and a B. Now, just to show you the difference, well, first let's do an arpeggio. So an arpeggio for the C major seventh would be like this: C, E, G, B, C. Then you go back to C, E, G, B, C. But that's a major, so that's a major seventh. Then if you want to do a dominant seventh, you change the B to a B flat. Listen to the difference. It's got a different sound. As opposed to this. See the difference that if you change it, if you flatten the seventh, you have a dominant seventh. Right? So you have a dominant seventh. Now, dominant seventh sounds like that. And then a major seventh sounds like this. So the arpeggio is important because you can play runs with it. That means just breaking the chord into the notes. So C, E, G. For the major is B, C. C, E, G, B. Sounds like that. The arpeggio. That's how the major seventh one sounds. Listen. But a dominant seventh sounds like this because we just simply change one note. Instead of a B, we play a B flat. That's a lot of pop music. They'll flatten the seventh so that it sounds like that. That's the dominant sound. As opposed to the major sound, which is like this. Very pretty. Eddie Van Halen used to say there are no major sevenths in rock and roll. I read that once. I thought it was true. It's good to see. And then the minor is a different animal. The minor changes the third. So in a minor chord, you're changing the third. So instead of C, E, G, it's C, E flat, G. Same thing with the seventh. You can play a minor major seventh, which is like C, E flat, or C, E flat, G, then B, C. So it sounds like this. No, that was a major. But you don't hear the minor major a lot. It's mostly the minor dominant. But the minor major would be, again, changing the third for a minor. for the minor, we want to change the third, so it'd be like, so it'd be C, E flat, G, and then a minor major would be B, C, so it'd go. Minor sound. But mostly you hear the minor dominant seventh, which would be adding the B flats to the C minor. So when you say a minor seventh, you're adding a B flat to the minor, C, E flat, G, and a B flat. Minor, C minor seventh, C, E flat, B flat, and a, so again it's C, E flat, G, and a B flat. That makes a minor seventh. And then that's like, so the three basic chords is the major, dominant, minor. The major to the I think something by the Beatles has that change. You do the major to the minor. Major seventh, minor seventh.